Hey students, it's time for more recorder. And we're on number 2 today. Number 2, and it's titled just A because we're learning a new note. It's A. And you can see this diagram over here is showing us how to finger the new notes. Before we go to the new note, let's relearn how to hold it. Remember, we're going to use our left hand. If you hold up your hands like this and look at them, the one that makes the L is your left hand. So left hand on top, we're going to plug up the thumb hole and go 1, 2, 3. Pinky does not go down. It's going to just stay there. We're going to take the right hand, put it on the back where this hole would be, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's where our fingers go. So this pinky is the only one that doesn't have a place on the recorder. All right, so we need to make the A. Right there. So if we look at the diagram, open holes or not colored in with black are open. So we're going to leave them open. And the ones that are black are covered up holes. So you can see the thumb is covered and the first and the second finger. So thumb, first, and second. Everything else is left open. We just leave it like that. So here's our A. Should sound like that. 1 and 2, and the thumb with your left hand, not right hand on top. So let's do a little bit of echoing. Remember, I'll play, then you play, and then I play, and then you play. So I'll play. You play. And remember about that air we learned last time. It's extremely small air. We had that hand about this far out from our face. If we breathe in and breathe out, if you can feel the air on your hand, you are using too much air. You need to slow your air down. And that's how much we use on recorder. It's probably the instrument that uses the least amount of air. Barely anything. If we use too much air, it sounds, and it can do that. So if it's squeaking on you, you're using too much air. We need to use less. Let's do some more echoing. All right, so let's figure out the notes in our song. We have lots of rhythms here. So we have half notes. You'll remember they get 2 each. So we go do, do. If this is our beat, gets 1, 2, 1, 2. So do, do would sound 2, ready, go. Let's play that. 2, ready. All right, let's go second measure right here. Quarter note, half note. If you'll remember, quarter notes get 1 beat each. So it'd be do, do, do. And we hold that for 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. So 1, 1, 1, 2. Hold it out. Do, do, do. Say that with me. 1, 2, ready. Do, do, do. So beginning to there would be 1, 2, ready. Do, 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 do. Play it. 2, ready. Very cool. All right. Do it again. 1, 2, ready. All right. Next. Quarter note, quarter note, quarter note, quarter note. In that measure, all 1. So it'd be, if this is our beat, do, 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 do. 1, 2, ready. Again, 2, ready. Last time, 2, ready. All right, and lastly, whole note, and whole notes get 4 beats. We're going to hold them out a long time. If this is our beat, it'd go do, do. 4 beats. Let's play that. On the A, remember 1 and 2. The thumb, it'd be 1, 2, ready. Again, 2, ready. 1, 2, last time, go. Cool. So, we're taking a look at top. We're going to go back to saying do, and then we'll try playing it. Ready? Do. 2, do, 2, ready, go. Do, 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 do. That last one you hold for a long time, right? 4. These 2, half notes 2, quarter notes just 1. Do it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Do, 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 do. It's windy out here. Let me pause the video and go get some paper clips. All right, got my paper clips. Where were we? Saying do. All right, the whole reason we're saying do instead of la, la, or any voice that we could do is because do gets you ready to play this. That's the tongue motion we need to use to make the recorder sound good. Remember, if I don't use tonguing, I'm just pushing my air from my stomach. It sounds like this. Doesn't sound as good as when I tongue. Or do, pushing air with the tongue, same thing. Sounds much better. One more time, do, and then we'll actually play this top line. 1, 2, do, go. Do, 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 do. Play it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. All right, I want you to pause the video and practice. Practice means you're going to play on your own while I'm paused on this video. And get this top line so you can't mess it up anymore. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Hold it for 4. Make sure you're playing with a beat in your head, or a metronome if you got a metronome at home. All right, go ahead and pause. Come on back once you got that top line ready, and then we'll do bottom line. All right, now that you're back, let's play bottom line. I bet we can say do on this whole bottom line, and this the more we read stuff, the more we read this music, the easier it gets to read on the spot. We call that sight reading. So I bet we can sight read this bottom. Ready? Do, 2, ready. Let me get my metronome ready. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, 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 do for 4. Good. Do it again. 1, 2, do, go. Do, 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 do. Let's try playing it on the recorder. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. And there we go. We got the whole song. Let's do the whole thing. Do, and then we'll play the whole thing, and then we'll try it with the recording. Ready? Do. 2, whole thing. We go here. Play the bottom. 2, do, go. Do. Let me get my metronome. I'm sorry. Let me pad it out. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, 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 do. Second line, go. Do, 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 do. All right. Let's try it with playing. All right, I paused so I could put on a metronome on my computer. Now I don't have to do this. All right, here we go. 1, 2, we're playing on an A, 1, 2, and the thumb. 1, 2, 1, 2, A, go. In the actual song, we would repeat and we'd go back and do it again. So we get to the end and we go back and play again. When we play with the backing tracks, it just does it twice. That's kind of how it does it. Let's play it again. Ready? A. Here's our metronome. 1, 2, A. 1, 2, ready. Cool. Why don't we try it with the backing track? Here's what the backing track sounds like. Then we play 1, 2, ready, and. Cool. I'm going to play once where I point, and then once where I do not help by pointing anymore. I want to see if you can start reading it across on your own. I'm not helping you keep track of where we are. So I'm going to help you the first time, and then remember we play it twice, and then I'm going to play it again, but I'm just going to play along instead of point. All right, here we go. Pointing, play it, 2, A, go. Bottom line, go. All right, back to the beginning. Ready, go. Bottom line, go. And cool. We finished the song. If you need a little more practice, go ahead and pause the video and play it some more until you don't make any more mistakes. And this time, I'm not going to point. You're on your own. Here we go. And 1, 2, Danny. Second line. Top line. Molto bene, nice job. If you are done, you can play the whole thing without messing up at all. You're ready to move on to lesson 3. So stay tuned and keep practicing. And don't feel afraid to go ahead in the book. You don't have to wait for a video to come out. Jump on over to 3 if you're ready for it. All right. See you in the next one.